at the Shiroi Koibito Park. This is the place where they make the famous Hokkaido white chocolate biscuits. So this is the shop. This is very cute. And you get a pack of candy. This is the original white chocolate biscuits. You see there are heaps of them, different size. This one is the matcha milk. Hokkaido cheese and milk. This is a different collections of all the biscuits. So white chocolate pudding here, and the two smoothie, the cake, the real cake. This is the milk. I don't mind trying this one. It's got lots of things that you can purchase from here. Cheese dip. This is all this dressing and jam that you can purchase from here. You can get chips as well. This is the outside area. It is so pretty. The clock. It's like a mansion here. And you can smell the biscuits. Somehow there is a bus here, like a London bus.
Thank you for coming to Shiroi Koibito Park today. We hope you have enjoyed your time with us.